Hi, to open voicemail settings on your Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is to open phone dialer first, and here tap on three dots and go in settings. After that, you need to scroll down and you'll see this voicemail tab. So simply select it and now you can customize it. Here you should see your service provider as a first tab. And of course you can set or change voicemail number. So basically when you won't be answering phone calls, this phone call would be redirected to the phone number that you set up here. You can either manually enter it or you can tap contacts icon and choose any contact from the list and then tap OK to confirm. Then you can customize notifications. So we can change sound, for example, adjust its volume. Also, we can enable vibration. We can customize lock screen, either show content, hide, or don't show notifications. And we can add app icon badges. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.